So let's get on pouring the glue.
Wait, get a spoon out?
Yeah, you can put the spoon out.
Blab,
Just on the
blab,
table works.
blab, blab, blab. Ready? Look at this blob that comes out of the glue. Blab, blab,
why
blab,
is
blab,
it
blab, blab,
That's okay.
blab, blab.
Bob, no.
And what you do,
Where's the towel again?
then dump it in, and then you can just throw these away.
Where's the towel again?
Alright.
Here, and I'll open it for you.
Whoopsies.
And remember, we stir it up, stir the water in.
Ah!
Bob.
We start. Ah! This is my spoon.
Can I mix
Now we
it
want
up?
to time to start adding the dye.
Once you stir all the water in.
Okay, I've stirred all the water in.
Okay. You want it blue, you said?
Yeah, light blue.
So I would start with 3 drops.
1.
Okay, now can I do it?
Yep.
3. What else? 4.
You can do 4. So the more dye, the darker it is.
The more dye, the darker.
Yep. Here you go.
Okay, I can do 5.
Yep.
Oh, it's
Alright.
getting light. Look at that color.
It's
It's
okay,
like
just take it out.
swirly. Oh, it's bright.
That works.
Can I have a towel for us?
That's alright. Don't touch it.
Oh, it's light.
Yep. Will do.
It's light blue.
And
Keeman's going
Oh,
with
we can't use that on food.
4.
Okay, go ahead. Stir, Cayman.
Right? He dropped 4 drops in there.
Yep.
He dropped
Or
4.
so. I don't know how many he did.
oh my gosh. It's getting light blue.
Whoops, that's
Abby.
not blue.
What's not blue?
I just put green in here instead of blue. I wanted to make purple.
Silly.
Yeah.
I accidentally.
Just put more blue in. Look.
Why do we have our Halloween decorations still on the table?
Because I forgot to take them off.
And we will be done for borax for now.
Yep, just stir it all in and then we'll see.
I don't like my costume one because I do like it. It's just the monsters are getting stuck in it.
Ooh, that looks like a big light blue. That looks like a good light blue.
Uh-huh.
Kim's dark blue looks good. It doesn't matter who makes who though, because we're both gonna share it, so we
Yeah.
should make different colors.
That's okay. Because it is different. They're both different blues.
Yeah.
Want me to try?
I mean, that's what I was saying. It's good that we make different colors. My arms are killing me.
You don't have to stir anymore. Just give me a second. I'll get yours.
It's been 11
Yeah,
minutes,
I'm
30
so
seconds on the clock. It's now 11 and 36. I don't know what 6 talking about. 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
Can I now please?
51,
There you go.
52. 15 seconds until we need to turn this video off.
Yeah, because Daddy's coming. I see that's a video.
Okay, turn it off.
That's okay. Here, we're almost done.
It's 12. It's gonna be 12:30.
That's pretty good.
Yes. Should we turn the video off now?
Let's end it. Alright guys, so this is our slime.
Bye.
Bye.